Good morning. It's Monday, January the 5th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halts, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Well, I'd like to wish everybody back. Looks like we're finally back down to business. It's January 5th. I think the markets are getting ready to roar. I also want to wish everybody a tremendous 2009. I hope it's prosperous for everyone. However, it's time to get down to business. I've got one great press release to report on this morning. No halts to report on at this time. However, that can change before the show is out. As I mentioned, one great press release from the Canadian side, also from the resource sector. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called Continental Nickel. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol CNI. They're reporting on additional assay results from drilling on its 70% owned Nachingwea nickel sulfide project, which is located in Tanzania. Now, the highlights from the program include 7.2 meters grading 5.71 nickel, 0.92% copper, and within that we've got a more concentrated intercept of 14% nickel and 1.75% copper over 2.6 meters, so great concentrations there. And this is coming out of hole 130. We've also got 16% nickel and 1.33% copper over 2.5 meters, and that's coming from hole number 121. And finally, we've got hole number 137, which returned 8.35 meters, grading 2.84% nickel and 0.64% copper, so great numbers coming out of Continental Nickel this morning. A little bit about the company. They are an exploration company focused on the exploration and discovery of nickel sulfide deposits in geologically prospective but underexplored regions globally. Companies last at 42 cents, 52-week high of 320, low of 23 cents, and the market cap of approximately $7 million. As I mentioned, no halts in the second segment of this program to report. I'd also like to say a big thanks to anybody that took the AGORACOM survey regarding the AGORACOM Small Cap Show. Your feedback is always very helpful, very insightful. It helps us to tailor our show to make it even better and more useful for you in the morning. That's a wrap for today's show. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.